Namaste, I'm Archana. In today's session, we're going to be working on a little bit of strength, a little bit of flexibility. So let's begin by sitting in a comfortable seated position. You can sit in Sukhasana or in Vajrasana. Close your eyes. Palms are in receiving position. Back is straight, shoulders over your pelvis, chin parallel to the earth, and eyes are closed. Take a deep breath in. And breathe out completely. And this time, as you breathe in, notice your belly move forward. And as you breathe out, pull your navel back towards your spine. Trying to bring your awareness to this movement of your abdomen. Again, breathing in and exhaling completely. Slowly open your eyes with a few blinks. And as you breathe in, bring your hands all the way up towards the ceiling, pressing your palms in the direction of the ceiling. And as you breathe out, you're going to pull your navel in, drop your chin to chest, pushing your palms in the direction of the floor or the mat in front of you. Being seated cat and camel. One more. Lot of awareness in your movement. Notice your back, your arms. Stretching your interlaced fingers towards the ceiling. If you want to, you can look up at your fingertips. And as you breathe out, pulling your navel back towards your spine, dropping your chin to your chest. Noticing the stretch in the back of your neck, your shoulders, upper back. One last time, breathe in. Belly comes forward, nice length. Gaze up and breathe out. Release your hands. Come on to tabletop. Here, if you want to, you can always take a nice sheet or a towel. Bring your knees to rest. Your wrist comes below your shoulders, toes behind your knees. Now as you breathe in, arch your back, gaze you forward. Breathe out. This is a movement that we do even in your seated Marjari Asana, Baddhakonasana. Bring your back to neutral position. Now right hand, right arm in line with your right ear. Now bring your left heel in line with your hip, pushing the sole of your feet towards the back wall, the back of your room, and your fingertips here towards the front. Stretch. Now as you breathe out, round, pull your navel in. Bring your fist in line with your knees. We're going to do 3 of this. Breathe in, stretch, extend, breathe out. Once again, breath in, reach and stretch, and exhale. Drop your hands. This time I'm going to take my leg and place it, my left leg all the way onto the floor on the right side. Palms stay where they are. I'm going to turn and trying to press all my toes onto the mat, pushing my heel in the direction of the floor, turning and looking towards my left leg. Breathe in. If you want to, you can actually drop your heels to deepen the stretch further. And back. 2. And back. Or simply stay here. Come back. We'll repeat the same thing on the other side. Left arm in line with your ear. Right heel in line with your hip. We're not taking it high here. So back is in neutral. Knee will pull in. stretch and reach to the opposite sides of the room. And as you breathe out, again inhale and back, exhale. One last time. So there's a lot of balance here, plus strength. Drop your hands, knees are nice and wide. Sit back and stretch in Shashankasana. Breathe in. And breathe out. Come back up here. I'm going to take off my towel here. Come back to tabletop. So we're going to be doing a combination of 3 of the asanas. You're hovering tabletop, knees off the mat, toes engaged, palms engaged. Pull your navel in. From here, keeping your back neutral, hovering tabletop, navel pulled in. Reach all the way up to your mountain, arms in line with your ears. We're going to come forward, like we're going to come to your plank, chaturanga. Drop your knees back. Again. Breathe out, reach. You can see my breath change. It's not an easy pose to hold. Come to your plank, hovering tabletop. Last time, reach up. Try and see if you can drop your heels, arms in line with your ears. I'm still not going really down here into downward dog. And back. Plank. Stay here. Hips. Just bow your knees. Stay with me. 2 more breaths. Navel pulled in. And 1 release. Sit back and stretch in Shashankasana. Just try to get back your breath into a comfortable rhythm. From here, back to Baddhakonasana. Either walk your palms towards your feet or your feet towards your palm, whatever works for you. Breathe in, knees are bent. Breathe in, halfway lift, Ardha Hastasana, hands here, or the floor, back is straight. We're just hinging at our hip. You can also stay here, whatever feels comfortable for you. Breathe out, knees bent, relaxing the whole body. Inhale 1 last time, halfway lift. Breathe out, knees deeply bent, trying to rest your upper body onto your thighs. Now breathe in, take your hands all the way out. Inhale, come up, arch your back. Breathe out, fold forward, Baddhakonasana. Breathe in, halfway lift. Now step back into your chaturanga, plank. Pull your navel in, hold. 2 and 1. Dropping your belly towards the floor. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, upward dog. You're resting completely on your palms and your toes. Pull your navel back. Reach. Widen your feet. Here your ears, cross your arms, going to downward dog. Trying to bring the forehead. Adjust your palms, because generally there's a tendency for it to slip. Forehead, the direction of the mat. Your ears may cross. Your arms stay here, breathing in and breathing out. Now step your left leg between your palms. Adjust your back leg. From here, we're going to come to Baddhakonasana 2. Shoulders pointing straight ahead over your pelvis. Knees tucked over your ankle. Arms in line with your shoulder, gaze at your fingertips. Breathe in. Press your feet into the mat. As you breathe out, just relax in the pose. Stay there. Now breathe in. Reach your hands up towards the ceiling. Stretch. Reverse Baddhakonasana. 2 and 1. Come back. We're going to turn to the other side. This time, stacking your right knee over your right ankle. Breathing in. Try to bring your pelvis towards the floor. Knees stacked. Thighs parallel. Now reach up. Relax as you breathe out. Relax your face. From here, we're going to bring our hands towards our feet. One last plank here. Chaturanga. Hold. Breathe in. Navel in. 2 and 1. Drop your belly. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stay here. Open your knees wide. Sit back and stretch in Shashankasana. And now as you breathe in, noticing the stretch in your lower back. As you breathe out, relax. Instead of stretching your hands out for a more relaxed position, you can bring your index fingers to touch, elbows bent. You may feel a little out of breath here, but you know you're at the right intensity. If you can, still talk and make small sentences. Now slowly come up, turn over. Bring your heels towards your groin. Come down to lying. Lie down. Just letting your knees fall to the side. Taking this moment to pause. Taking pride in the fact that you made time for yourself to show up to this practice today. You're going to take one deep breath in. And as we breathe out, we'll chant one round of Om. You can continue to lie down in this position, or slowly you can use the support of your hands to bring your thighs to touch. Straighten your legs out. Breath in. And as you breathe out, you can stay here as long as you want to, feeling refreshed and energized. I hope you enjoyed doing this session with me. I'll see you tomorrow with another session of Make Yoga a Daily Habit. Like, subscribe, write to me in the comments below. Namaste.